now that I started taping, he stopped. What are you doing?
You like know the camera's on.
Yeah, seriously.
You're gonna just sit there, you're gonna hold the one.
As soon as I turn it on, that's when it stops.